Beautiful.
Right next I know some people have swapped a couple of country books. That's really lovely, but it is for a good cause. Now, in about 2 minutes, we're going to start. Book flashes. Basically, you walk around reading, and you continue reading until we say stop.
Cockatoos screech across the morning skies. The warble of magpies not far behind.
We acknowledge that we are always working.
Nana says it's everything around us.
The way we show the files
Converged upon the things. So you have to start up each day and give the most out of life the Baba Black Belt way.
Kimitin! Trisval, lagay mo kasa. Endelig var boken bruseklar för ett barn. That's how I found the Corbett Zoo. And I says, what can you taste? The taste of juicy sweetness. We love the taste of the country. All collecting shells at our special place. And I says, what can you feel? We can feel the bumps, curves and sharpness of the shells. We love the feel of the country. Wildflowers are blooming. She followed us soaring and found the soundness passing way to the place where the green rolled slowly. Here is one great day. Really delivers.
The next morning at night, when they opened the zoo, the snakes were all hissing, and Edward was too. He slipped around the rocks. It was magic to see. Then he curled himself casually.
Celine ignored it for a while and sighed. Why does no one appreciate what I do for them? But inside she began to worry. Things were only getting worse.
Wow, how did you learn that? I asked. Practice, Ely shrugs. She shows me where to step on the board to start.
Next morning, just what to do.
Men solen den går ned, og Osvald han får det største æble. For det er Osvalds skyld, at alle har det godt.
Brothers rub their hands.
I'm Australian too. My mum was born in Sydney, my dad in Ballarat, and I was born in Melbourne. How Australian is that? How about you? My dad grew up in Darwin.
Frank, it's banquering, harvest time. Christine plays Tintin. Samuel jumps into the waterfall. Ernie sits up.
She's reading to me. Platypus searching the street with a swish, using his bill to see flashes crazy. Oh, platypus down there. You flew a big crocodile was born.
Your name was Dorothy.
At the wonderful
Johnny Lost.
As it turned out, we couldn't get to Clonmel for another 12 months. Governments don't always consider
in a sneaky pack.
Count of three. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Everyone hold your books up in the air. Hey! Okay. And 1, 2, 3. IFLA! IFLA! Thank you.